What's your favorite scary movie?
Scream! Scream 4!
Wait, how'd you know it was me?
Well, the thing is, you really need a new voice. And what the hell? And the what's your favorite scary movie thing is getting really old. So get a new theme. Bye.
Wait, don't you...
Freak. Now that was just Scream. He's a weirdo. I don't know how I knew it was him, but I don't know. But he's a little. Sometimes I get afraid of him. He's a weirdo. Don't ever. Now I'm gonna text my BFF for life. Who is it now? Yellow.
Don't just hang up on Scream, you know.
You know, you just gave it away that you were Scream, even though I knew it was you. You're not supposed to tell him you're Scream.
Well, you're not supposed to hang up on me.
Yes, I am.
You know what? I'm just done with you. I am not gonna kill you this time, but I might kill you some other time.
Bye, Donald.
I'm gonna cut off your power supply.
What the hell?
See? I know where you live. And I can find you.
Stalker! Weirdo, never come near me again!
Well, I'm turning off the rest of your lights.
Ha ha. Stupid Scream.